Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to share with you some movies that I watched and that can help you to improve your communication, that can help you to improve, that can help you to speak and practice more. So, the first movie that I want to recommend you is Kung Fu Panda. You might heard of that movie. This is cartoon movie Kung Fu Panda, and that movie is very inspiring. That is cartoon. You can say cartoon movies. So that is very inspiring. And second one is I watched Lakshya, and that is Bollywood movie, and the hero who played the role of main role is Hrithik Roshan, and in that movie he didn't find his goal, what he really wants to pursue. So if you really wants to if you really wants to work on your dream, if you really wants to get inspired, you can watch that movie. That movie is very inspiring. And third is The Forest Jump. I think this movie, everyone recommend this movie. Even this movie is also very inspiring, and three of them two of them I watched very well, but I want to watch again The Forest Jump. So these are the three movies that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it, and I am sharing with you because I watched the Kung Fu Panda, and that is very inspiring. How he didn't give up to become a good uh, uh, martial artist. Like he has a dream to become kung fu. He has a dream to learn kung fu and master the kung fu. But whenever he tried, he failed. But he didn't give up. He learned and he mastered. He became the master of kung fu. So that is very inspiring. And in that uh, cartoon movie, I always remembered one line. The line was, yesterday is mystery, tomorrow is history, and today is a gift. That's why it's called present. So that is very inspiring line that I have always feel that really we have a present, right? We can't go in the future, we can't live in a past, but only one thing that we have is present, right? So focus on the present and focus on your goal, right? We are practicing our spoken English. We wanted to pursue our dreams, right? We want to become a good communicator, we want to become a good speaker. So focus on that, practice every day, talk to yourself, do shadowing practice. The more you practice, the better you become. We don't want to be perfect, right? We want to become better version of ourselves. So these movies are very inspiring. So sometimes we practice spoken English to read a book, to do shadowing practice. We do mirror practice, talk with ourselves in front of the mirror. But sometimes I know movies are like a distraction, right? But when we want to learn something, sometimes we need to watch something that inspire, that give us the inspiration to work on ourselves. So movies are inspiring, and you can watch these with the subtitle, and you can build your spoken English practice. You can practice your spoken English, and you can learn new words, right? So I think the way we think about something, we can think about positively or negatively. It depends on us. So if you watch any movie, and first when we started watching movie, we watch movie like we don't want to look subtitle, we just want to listen, we want to watch the movie, we want to enjoy the movie. But if you have a perspective to learn if you want to speak, you want to practice your spoken English, so you have to watch with the subtitle. First you can enjoy your movie, and then second you have to watch that movie again and notice each and every single word, and you can practice while watching. Repeat the word you watched in your phone with the and repeat that subtitle that you uh, watch. And if you find a new words, try to make a note, and do not write too much word, because you didn't able to use that. So find new words and try to use them in your spoken practice, so it will help you to speak more better, to speak better. So movies are also helpful to find a new words. Even in movies they use the word new words you learn from the movies, because they talking and you watch them and you understand. So I think movies are more helpful to understand the language, the expressions, the movie. In that movies, people express themselves, so it's become easy to understand the meaning of the word, right? So I watched these three movies, but I want to watch this movie again, The Forest Jump. And if I find more interesting movies that can help you to improve your communication, I will definitely share with you. I think cartoon movies are cartoon videos are very interesting, right? Most people like watch cartoons a lot. Like children loves watch cartoon, and I think most of the people loves, like one of the new created in a cartoon way is not cartoon. You can say that that's powerful. God Narasimha created one of the new videos, like in a cartoon way. You can't and I want to watch the uh, God Narsimha anime movie. Everyone talk about it. That's very powerful and that's very uh, energetic and positive vibe. So I want to watch that anime because no, I watched when it was launched in theaters. I watched in my phone, but I didn't watch it. I waited that it's come when it's uh, come on YouTube, I will definitely watch. So it's not possible for me to go theater, but I really want to watch that anime because it was really fantastic. I watched the ad of that movie, so uh, I think it will be interesting to watch because it was so power. I think I watched the video in an ad and it was so powerful. So today I just wanted to share with you about movies. If I watched more movies that will really if that help me to improve my communication, I will really share with you to practice your spoken English. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.